Take it there. Yes, yes. Very well, sir. I would like to listen from you about something. Yes, about something about you.
Yes, sir. So my full name is Dipti Patra. I have been born and brought up in the district of Jharsuguda. I have completed my schooling up to 12th in Jharsuguda district only. After that, I pursued my graduation in electrical and electronics engineering from VSSUT Burla. My hobbies include yoga and meditation, and I am 25 years old, and this is my first year.
When you passed out?
In 2018, sir.
And then after that, what you have been doing?
Since then, I have been preparing for civil services, sir.
It's electrical and electronics, you don't want to go to any company jobs, corporate sector?
No, sir. I had been placed in Accenture Pune, but I did not join, sir.
But you didn't join?
No, sir.
But it is not part of interest for you?
No, sir, because when I was in my final year of college, I was inspired by many IAS officers, their stories, like Durga Sakti Nagpal, and I have been following her. So I have read instances and case studies about them, and that has really inspired me. So I decided to join this line.
So can you tell us what is your strength? The internalization, what is your strength that you feel that you will be very good administrative officer?
Sir, I believe that I have a sense of time, and I believe that I am dependable, and so I am committed for what my work, about my work.
But how to face the challenges of the job?
The challenges of the job.
You know what are the challenges of this civil service job, Odisha civil service job? IAS has a different challenge, Odisha Administrative Service has a different challenge. So have you tried to assess that?
Sir, in particularly Odisha Civil Services.
Yes.
Sir, I think that Odisha is a tribal population belt, so and different. Sir, I cannot.
You have never looked it from that angle.
Yes, sir.
Then what can be the challenge? Challenge of facing the public, challenge of meeting the poverty people, challenge of meeting the political arena that prevails in the state, challenge of the local politics.
Yes, sir.
When you will be performing as a block development officer or a tahsildar or similar kind of jobs, you may face the kind of crowd that you are likely to meet. These are the challenges. Challenge of the development that you are supposed to carry on.
Yes, sir. But these are similar to the IS also.
But that is in a different forum. Here it is in a.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Because the highest people would know, initially they start working at the field for a few years, but then they move out as the heads of all the departments, so they don't face the public directly. But you as a Odisha administrative officer, for at least for 20 years you will face the people on the ground for any kind of developmental activities that you will pursue.
Sir, but that has, I believe that has also a positive side to it. We can change the rural mindset and bring greater development in grassroots level.
That's what you think.
If people connectivity is so direct in the service, then I think it can be used to advantage.
Okay. The home science was your subject, sociology was also your subject.
Yes, sir.
How can we measure this anemic level of a person? What are the parameters to measure the anemic level of a person? It's related to diet and
Yes, sir.
similar kind of.
Yes, sir. The hemoglobin level in blood, the exact mF per Hg, which is there, that I am not aware of the exact figure, but I believe that per liter of blood, the hemoglobin count that.
That is going to indicate your anemic character.
Yes, sir. The iron.
How do you identify obesity and then opposite of obesity?
So the BMI that we count, the weight and height ratio, that is used to measure the if a person is overweight, normal weight or underweight. Sir, which is the normal weight is from 21 to 25 units, and beyond 25 it is considered overweight.
Okay, can you tell us what is the vaccination cycle of the child right from the birth? But since it is home science, we are asking that how much you are aware of this.
Yes, sir. So the exact month were from
What is the cycle right from the birth?
right from the
Vaccination of the child
Yes, sir.
till end of 1 year.
So polio is given.
Am I sure I am asking within the home science?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes.
much.
Yes, sir. We are not being read about the vaccination, but we should know about it.
Something about it not complete, at least something.
Yes, sir. So the polio and diphtheria and pertussis DPT vaccine that is given, and so this much I can.
This much you can go. So you are from Jharsuguda district.
Yes, sir.
And Jharsuguda has been in the news for several reasons.
Yes, sir.
Very often. Can you enlighten us something?
So one of the reasons that is there is the land acquisition by the coal fields. People are getting displaced and not getting rehabilitated properly. They are not given compensation or resettlement or job which has been promised to them. And the another problem is that they are facing acute water crisis because of the industries that are, because Jharsuguda is an industrial hub. So the groundwater is getting polluted. So they are facing acute water crisis. And the third, that when they are going to the authorities to claim that they are being promised that part of the land, then the authorities are unable to trace their lineage because it has been delayed to a point that generations have passed. So they are not able to trace the lineage that this person is eligible to claim this. And the fourth point which I can recollect is the villagers from Hirakud which were displaced because of the Hirakud dam project, and they were settled in a place, and then again they were displaced because of the BOCM mines being constructed in the Lakhanpur area. So they were being displaced from their homeland twice, and they are not being given proper compensation. So they have their double woes for
Okay.
that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Dipti, can you tell in your district what is the women population, that is sex ratio? I am telling sex ratio of your district.
Sex ratio, madam, the sex ratio in our district is madam, out of 6 lakhs population, I guess, 2.5 to 3 lakh are there, women are there. So the sex ratio is decent, I guess.
No, that is the number of the people that you are telling, but the sex ratio is against 1,000
Yes, ma'am.
male.
Yes, ma'am. The number of
number of
female
female,
against
that is for the
1,000
sex
male.
ratio.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think there is less number of women in comparison to the 1,000 man. Sex ratio is also lower in your district.
Okay, ma'am. I will look into it.
You just brought up in the rural areas or in urban areas?
Madam,
Of
madam,
you belong to a village.
in Banbahal village, ma'am. Banbahal village.
In your village, all the girls are attending the schools and.
Yes, ma'am. They are attending because my father was at service in the Mahanadi coalfields. So we were residing in quarters.
Okay, so
So-
you are not in completely contact with the villagers, what is really their standard of living and something like.
Madam, there are slums surrounding the place I was living. So there were not very good number of girls who were getting into school, and even if they were, when puberty hit or during adolescent, they were dropping out of school.
What are the major industries in your district, Dipti?
Madam, there is Vedanta, and there is also Hindalco in Hirakud region, and Mahanadi coalfields, and much.
How the industrialization in your district has developed the standard of living of the periphery people? Whether the fruits of the industrialization are being tasted by the local people, or what is this scenario?
Madam, I think it has created a dichotomy. Some people have progressed very much, while others people have suffered at their cost. As I had mentioned earlier, the land displacement issue. Some people have even, madam, from people from other states have gotten employment, and they have really progressed and done good in their lives, but at the cost of the land of villagers. So there is a dichotomy.
People having the requisite skills not getting engagement in the industries, or people are not skilled enough to get
Madam,
the
they were not
placement?
skilled enough, that's why.
Okay, there comes the role of the government for the skill development. Do you know there is a skill development department in Government of Odisha?
Government of Odisha.
Yes. Skill development and technical education department, one department. Can you tell 4-5 departments name Government of Odisha?
Madam, the recent Mission Shakti, which has been
Yes.
in news, that is there, and
Another 2-3 department.
yes, madam. In the education department,
Yes.
that is there,
Education
and-
means one school and mass education department, another is a higher education department.
Yes, ma'am. And
Dipti, do you know something new education policy?
yes, ma'am.
Could you highlight something major points of the new education policy?
The new education policy 2020 have features like the 10+2 system, which has been traditionally practiced, has been replaced by 5+3+3+4 system, and for the first time the 3 to 6 year age group, which was left uncovered in the previous educational policy, that has been covered here, because internationally it has been researched and proved that the children belonging to the 3 to 6 year groups have the ability to capture and read, so they have been included in the scheme. And the third thing, that teachers are required to have minimum integrated B.Ed degree by 2030, I guess, to be eligible for the teachers' approval. And
What is the emphasis on imparting vocational and vocational education?
yes, madam, the vocational training will be started from class 6 onwards. The vocational internship for students from class 6 onwards, it has been emphasized to increase the employability of the students when they will graduate.
If you will be also assigned one posting in the higher academics and one posting in the OCS, which one would you prefer?
Madam,
If
could
you will be given one job in the academics, in
Academics?
university, in one job in university and another job in OS, suppose, what would you prefer personally?
Madam, higher education as in what designation? As a civil servant?
Yes.
Madam,
Suppose you are posted as an assistant professor in a university and there is another job
Assistant
also,
professor.
professor in a
Yes.
university,
yes, sir.
and simultaneously you are also getting your administrative service. Which one you will prefer?
Madam, right now I believe that according to my education qualification, I am not eligible for an assistant professor post.
This is imaginative.
For a
this is
teaching
imaginative.
post.
Yes.
Madam, I think that I will do justice to my potential and capabilities if I join as an administrator in OCS. Because teaching, I don't think I will be able to
You are
do justice to
capable.
the job.
Okay. You think that you are a fit person for
Administration.
to become one administrator. So,
Recently we see that huge number of electrical poles has been damaged by cyclones.
Electrical poles. Yes, sir.
Being an electrical engineer, what do you suggest? How we can strengthen those electrical poles?
so that they will not be damaged.
damaged.
How can we bring resilience to that system?
Yes, sir.
How can we create disaster resilient infrastructure in electric
Mm.
infrastructure? Because every time you have an electric pole, it is destroyed. Every time you have a wire connectivity, and that is destroyed. Every time there is a transformer, that is gone. So like this, many things are
Damaged.
going away with the disaster on setting on a particular area.
Yes,
So
sir.
how can we address this? And specifically is looking for what about these electric poles?
Yes, sir.
Previously we have been giving cement poles sometimes, and now cement poles have been changed over to some other kind of. There were iron poles at some point of time,
Mhm. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and now you find something different.
Mhm.
So what are those and how this is? What kind of vision is going into this?
So I'm sorry, I will look into it.
Okay.
I'm not.
Okay, now you see, your hobby is yoga. When international yoga day is observed,
The 21st June.
why it came into picture? Previously we were not observing it. Why it came into picture?
Sir, in 2015, after the Narendra Modi government came into power, it laid emphasis on the yoga, and he himself has done and for awareness among the people, Surya Namaskar and all this.
Okay, what is difference between communism and socialism?
Sir, in communism there is state controlled, completely state controlled is there, and but in socialism,
India is which type of country? Socialistic or capitalist, or which type of country?
so India is a mixed model of capitalist
From
and
economic point
socialist.
of view, it's a mixed model.
Yes, sir.
From socialistic point of view,
From socialistic point of view,
Constitution says. Indian Constitution says what? India is a.
democracy, sir.
But what is that line that if you can recite?
We the people of India having solemnly resolved to give
Constitute.
ourselves a sovereign, socialist, secular,
Socialist.
democratic.
Socialist. You are coming to that.
Yes, sir.
What is that socialist? Yes, what is asking.
Yes, sir. So the government will intervene for the welfare of the people. Like we have our model of secularism is different from the Western model of secularism, where the Western model, in secularism, the state will not at all interfere in religion, but in our case, the government will interfere when and where it is necessary to facilitate people of all religions, because ours is a diverse country with many religions living inside of one room.
Okay. Okay, last question for you. And this is the trump card. And that if you are answering rightly, you are getting selected. Imagine that mode. You are best prepared for a civil service job. You don't prepare a academic job.
Sir,
This is
academic teaching job,
Ah,
I
yes,
don't.
yes, that
If
is-
administrative job in
You
a
feel more comfortable
educational
with, yes, you
institute,
feel
I
more
am
comfortable.
comfortable.
Suppose you are in a Orissa police service, you are getting a chance
Police
to,
service.
police service, you are getting a chance to join. And in the area where you are posted, you find a number of institutions where ragging is there, prevailing. And what can be your role and how you can intervene in this problem?
Ragging is there in a particular institute.
In around your area of operation, ragging is being reported from different institutions.
Yes, sir.
What can be your role and how you can intervene in this problem?
Yes, sir. Sir, first of all, there will be a sensitization program and awareness program. First, I will deal it in a soft hand. First, I will give warnings and tell people that this is not allowed in an educational institution, and those who are engaged, if reported, then they will have serious consequences.
There is already, everybody knows that every institution has written in their walls, it is a ragging free zone, ragging is not permitted over here, like this, everything is there.
Yes, sir.
And you must have experience from your college also. Yes, so I would like to know what is your exact mindset?
Sir, in our college particularly, I will say
No,
that
you
there
have
was a health
experience, you
camp.
must have experienced this situation. So that is
Yes,
why
sir.
I am asking this question, that how in such a situation you can
Yes.
play a role and interview.
Sir, I will have some of the students in my confidence who will give me confidential information about who is creating, and because usually there is a gang and there is a leader who they only hear what he says, and they are, even if they are not interested, because of that one person they follow it. So it is the trend which I have seen, because if 10 people are doing the ragging, maybe 8 are not interested because of the pressure of the 2 they are doing. So I will have confidential people from among them who will give me secret information about who is the main person responsible for it, and I will catch only the main person and I will give him a good warning, and then I think the rest of
Okay, very good, good answer. Anyway, some introspection into the problem is there with you. Thank you very much. We are very happy with your performance. But what is your expectation? Is it okay?
Sir, I feel that the questions are from my domain, electrical, that I need to work upon, because there are some really
Yes.
and I could
Electrical
not
engineering,
answer.
electrical system
Yes.
has to be resilient to disasters.
Yes, sir.
Just think, electric poles in used in railways, they are not damaged. But in villages and in urban areas, they are damaged, they are being damaged by cyclones. Why? How it's possible for them, how it's not possible for us. So we should think, what is the structure, main structure or foundation, how they are building, how their poles are 4 pillars joined together. But in our state government system, only 1 pole. We have to think differently.
If the
Sir,
foundation is not
underground leveling also.
In urban areas, underground leveling,
That could
it's
be a
also,
solution also.
the work has already started in
Underground.
Bhubaneswar.
underground leveling and strong foundation of
Yes.
4 pillars.
Mm.
Okay, ma'am. That I need to look upon, and plus some basics of sociology also.
Mm.
I need to brush on that.
Because
Anyway,
most of them will be journalists, so general questions they will ask about
anyway,
the-
there are a host of questions are likely to come from very senior people visiting here. They will try to fire you with a number of questions. And if you do not know many of the questions, you can say no, but it is basically a personality test. It is not a test of your knowledge.
Yes,
So coolly you can skip over some of the questions when you do not know exactly.
yes, sir.
And if you have possible answers, try. That is, can you give me, if I permitted, I can speak like this, that we can also go for possible answers. And then try to put up your views as candidly as you have been doing here. We hope we are getting a very good candidate. Huh?
Just
All the
strictly
best.
avoid, try to avoid the, again questioning the board. If you can't understand a question, don't ask again to,
Sir, actually,
just say that the
okay.
patterns are, can you repeat the question, please repeat the
Okay,
question.
okay,
Just act like
yes,
that.
sir, yes, sir.
You
I
shouldn't
will-
repeat the
Avoiding
question.
is better. Avoiding is better if you can avoid it. If it is not possible to avoid and there is a very serious question which he is pushing on, you can ask for that. But it is
To
better
repeat
to.
it, I should not have. Sir, actually, I was facing one problem which I needed to discuss. I've been giving mocks since 2 days. So when the panelists are wearing mask, in some cases, I'm not able to clearly understand and articulate what they are speaking. So in the real interview, if this problem persists, can I ask them politely to remove their mask?
No, that is none of your business. That is none of your business. That is the priority for the board.
Yes, sir.
If I want to put on my mask, I should. You cannot. You don't have to say on that.
Sir, actually, I was having problem in audibility
Ah,
and understanding the question fully. So
So
that's why
In that
my
case,
answers were getting
in that
affected.
case, try to guess as much as possible. And in most cases, if you are not following the question at all, then with a polite
you
voice,
could,
you can.
yes, you could also ask for the repeat of the questions if you are not completely figure out what the question is, from audible point of view. But removing the mask, it would never tell. That is something discourteous. That is
Yes,
something
ma'am.
discourteous.
Yes,
Like
sir.
seriously audible problem আছে?
Sir,
Mask pinne there are
her
old
daddy
people.
now,
Where you face this
father,
problem? Where you face this problem?
sir, in Vanik the distance was also a little more.
Where you face this problem?
Vanik.
Money. Oh,
Vanik,
you
yes.
have been appearing some work.
Yes, sir. Just yesterday I appeared there and.
And some old people were there.
Yes, sir.
Speaking something.
Yes, sir, because there was here it is not fan is not
It
running.
is.
There was fan and everything. All the disturbances were also there. Right now I can hear very clearly, but there I asked them 4 times. So I was not having problem in answering. I was having problem in hearing and understanding the question.
Okay.
And which can put a very negative impression, though I am scared.
No, but you can say I am not exactly getting into what is the type of person. So if you don't mind, can you?
I can politely
you can politely
Yes,
say.
you could politely, if something is not audible, you could politely also add for the repetition of the question of.
Okay, few more questions are likely to come. I would have engaged, but we don't have the time. We have there are enough number of candidates are still there. But prepare something about Western Odisha culture because you are from Jharsuguda.
Yes.
So Western Odisha culture, Western Odisha crafts, Western Odisha clothing, and
Yes,
these,
sir. Yes.
those are some of the uniques. And there are some people who are also getting the Nobel Prize and this.
One airport also there in your district. What is the name of that airport?
Veer Surendra Sai.
Okay.
My college is also named after Veer Surendra.
Some people have been awarded Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan from your area. So those are some of the things which are important.
Sir, I
We
will-
don't have adequate time to carry on all those things with you. But anyway, these are the tips for you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much. We hope that you are making it. And we will be happy to see you
Thank you.
with something with flying colors. Okay.